Hi, Aspen here, Drone in Nature. I'm out on a short little hike today. It's pretty late in the evening. It's 8 o'clock in Norway now. So the sun is on its way down. I just want to get out and do some filming and fly a little bit. I'm going to take some photos with my old Sony camera also. Just want to see if it's possible for me to get any better in photography. I just want to test it out, and it's really nice to be outside in weather like this. The sun is pretty low and the lights are not great, optimal for flying and filming, but I just want to test it and see. So really hope you will watch it, and of course subscribe to my channel. See you, bye. So guys, I'm out with my old Sony DSLR A33 camera. Just want to test it and take some photos. I really don't have any idea what I'm doing, but I'm just going to test it and see if it's possible to get some nice photos. The sun is pretty low on the sky and it's overcast, so it's not easy to get any good shots. But I just want to try to be a little bit better in shooting photos. That's a skill I really want to learn, so I'm going to test it out and see if it's possible. I have no idea about settings and stuff like that, so I'm just testing it out. I'm shooting in RAW and JPEG just to see how the footage is, so I just want to test it out. The camera is 10 years old and it's pretty roughed up. The screen is bad, and this is was the kit lens that come with the camera when I bought it, so nothing great. It's 3.5 to 5.6, 18 to 55. I don't even know what that means, but I'm going to take some photos and see how it is, so let's try it out. I'm going to try to edit the photos in Davinci Resolve 17. That's my editing software. I know that Photoshop and stuff like that is much better, but I don't want to use so much money on different softwares. And I see some videos that you can shoot pretty or edit pretty well in Davinci Resolve, even photos. So I'm going to test that out. So let's just take some footage. See? It's just fun to shoot some photos. Today is the 16th of May in Norway, and that means that tomorrow is a national day, the 17th of May. It's a national day in Norway, and and it's pretty fun day to celebrate. But of course, with the pandemic, it's not that great. We have to stay apart from each other, just be with our nearest family. So that's not the greatest. Let's see how the footage looks like. I'm gonna take a photo of my hometown. Maybe I have to adjust something. Maybe I should try to get to manual mode. Let's try that. I really don't have any idea what I'm doing. But let's try. And see how it is. It's fun to take photos. I really want to be better. Oh, the sky is really blown up. Maybe I should try to adjust. Let's see. No. I don't have any idea what I'm doing. Let's turn it to auto mode. So guys, see you another time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.